Hi guys, Jonathan here, and this is my almost 7-month update from my hair transplant with DHI Australia. I went into DHI at the 6-month mark and they took some photos. Been off with man flu, so I thought I'd wait until after that. But have a look at the result. As you can see, really thickened up in there. From my point of view, from my expectations, I'm super happy with where I am at the moment. Apparently it is only sort of 65-70% of the end result I'm going to get it at 12 months. So it should thicken up even more from now. To be honest, I can't see where it's going to thicken up, but I'm sure it will in there. But as you can see, it's from all angles, it looks really good. So I'm happy with the result I've got at the moment. In terms of my expectations from when I started my journey with DHI Australia, already far and exceeded what I thought I was going to get in terms of a result. And I hope you guys have got into DHI and had a chat about your situation if you're worried about your hair. But I will leave that up to you guys. It's been good to chat with you. I'll hopefully get them to send through my 6-month update. And I'll speak to you guys soon.